Tap the man.
Tap the man, the policeman. Eh? How it's going, my people? Pleasant good morning to you all. So today we're here. We have a whole bunch of different things that we're gonna do in one day. We're gonna carry on with the sidewall. Yesterday we started, but I didn't get to do much video because it was raining this week. As you know, it's spring now out here in Canada. It's all over the world, but I mean, it's spring. Lots of rain gonna be falling, so you guys gonna see a bit of skip video in where we start from in the middle and such, because once it started to rain we can't film. So today we're gonna have the sidewall. I'm gonna put the camera on Mr. Maple Green, your whole boy, so you guys could see him in action, and then later on you're gonna come back over and watch me, and then you're gonna watch Sheldon as well. So we're gonna split it up a little bit so that you guys can see the difference with all of us. 3 of us are Jamaicans. We're from different parish in Jamaica, but we are all from Jamaica. So you're gonna see the different technique that we have in laying bricks. So stay tuned for that. But if you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button for more upcoming video like this one. And please give the video a thumbs up. Truly appreciate it. Help YouTube to promote the video so others can view and learn from as well. With no further ado, let's dive right into the video. Get this thing popping. Thank you guys. So as you see, I have my setup here. See the window here. We're gonna just run that one, and then we're gonna put our angle line right across. Like so. This ledge over here is 1 brick higher than that one. So we're gonna work that out afterwards. So this is the section we're gonna work on. So guys, we're not gonna put any weeping hole down here, like I mentioned in my previous thing. So later on in the video, I want to hear you guys' opinion and whose technique you guys like the best. Be honest. I mean, it's COVID right now, we're under lockdown, we're just watching the video and just entertain each other. So just let me know in the comment section whose technique you're gonna see. Green coming up next, and then we're gonna have Sheldon coming up next. As you see, I'm laying brick right now. So let me know your guys' opinion and which one of us technique you think you guys like the best. It doesn't have to be me, and I won't feel away, I promise. We're just doing this in a friendly way. We're just having fun. Love you guys as always, and thank you guys for your support. So guys, the 2 first courses are the 2 most important courses. If you don't get them right, you're gonna mess up the entire band. So take your time and get it right. No rush.
We're kneeling the boss. I'm joking. Hi guys. How is the COVID treating you guys? You guys got your needle already? You get your vaccination already? I hope you guys do. I'll be taking mine next week, because I'm still young.
Yeah, boy. We're gonna try to bring up this wall. Okay, action guys.
Action time.
Oh my God, it's...
I like them Portuguese kind of. No, I don't like the Portuguese kind of. I tell you the truth, I'm telling you. Especially when they Portuguese, I say Portuguese kind of. The low one. You bet. Give me some master.
Good boy. What you want? What you mark up as a 0?
0-1.
Eh?
0-1.
You must have earned some money.
Eh?
You must have earned some money. You must have earned some money.
What money is it?
Who earn the money?
You go on, man.
Which government?
With what? To who? $500? $400?
My brethren will run it.
Eh?
My brethren will do that.
What's your name?
Not for my brethren.
Eh?
You know, I people know for 6 weeks. That's the construction and people don't get it. So they say I'm take COVID test. You guys think you take COVID test and they say I have COVID.
Who that?
One girl, one wife, sister and niece.
That's true, I don't like to know. I true them put the friggin' brick all like wet them pan. But we usually put like 1 wet and 4 dry. Yeah. Right around it.
Yeah.
Middle of top of him. Now show, give me a master, now.
black and all they do is poke out them and straight.
Here you have it, guys. Hope you get value from this video. If you get value, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more upcoming videos like this one. We have lots more videos coming up, and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well, so when I upload those videos you get notified. Thank you for watching. Be safe, and I'll see you in the next one.